What's up, y'all? We're not home right now. We're on a little trip, so we have a little stuff set up. But it's me and Elroy. We just found these at Target. It's a little early, so I was like, "Man, we gotta open them, you know." So we're just gonna get right into it. Comes with 5 packs each, and we all got like every single one. So I think it should be 45 packs, I already said. So hopefully we can get something good, at least one of us.
Yeah, we each got a promo of each one. You wanna show it?
Yeah, here's the Moltres. Looks pretty cool. I thought I was only gonna get the Zapdos, but they had them on. I was like, man, heck it. We're on the trip. All right.
See if any good pulls.
Let's see what we can get. It's 4. Alright, what are you aiming for?
I don't know, I want an NT if I can.
That's your number 1 card?
Yeah, or the Cynthia. No. Friends and Sinnoh, then
Oh,
Cynthia.
yeah. Oh, I like that one where it's like sunset and it's Cynthia and what's his name? I forget.
The dad of
Volt.
Yeah,
Oh.
the dad of what's his name?
Volt.
The rival, yeah,
Oh,
I think
yeah.
so, something like that. I don't remember. I haven't
I
played.
thought it was Volkner.
Yeah, I think that's him. So I haven't played in a while.
I think did I do the trick? I don't even.
Pretty sure.
Okay.
That's already a beast, whatever.
I bought that one, man. Oh, well, it's a cool. I like this one a lot, though, so.
Maybe we could trade with mom. She gets something.
Maybe. But, hey, I said I wanted trainers, I guess. There's one. It's a really cool one. I need the other version with the girl. How do you say her name? Ida or something?
Yeah, Idila, I think.
Idila? I don't know. Can't hear in my head, so I'm putting them over there. I mean, so far I've been getting hits, so it's not bad.
Your favorite?
Yours!
And a hollow.
I don't think I've pulled this one myself.
What's the other one? The bug, right?
Yeah, the Charger Bug, and then the Charizard. And that's it, right?
Oh, yeah.
Just the 3.
Yep. I don't know if I got the bug yet.
I'm surprised they didn't do like the amazing rare.
No, they took them off. It was only for like that one set.
Yeah.
Oh no, well, 2.
Yeah, 2.
And they took them off.
Emolga.
There's something.
I know, I see it. Yeah, oh man, it's not the one we want.
I know we need the all type.
Yeah, that one's pretty cool. I haven't seen anything like that one.
I don't know, I guess it's just random. Cause mom pulled gold dad, but we haven't even seen.
I mean, I doubt it, but we'll see.
We haven't seen like that one. What Entei, Sweet Kun, those are hard for us to get. The evolutions.
Ooh, I like that one actually. I haven't got it. Or maybe I did, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna get into Articuno.
Yeah, let's do a quick cut. Alright guys, we back.
Here's the Articuno.
Looks awesome now.
Yeah, it's cool.
I wanted them all, but my favorite's probably the Moltres. It looks dope.
My favorite is Zapdos. Alright, you know the drill, 5 packs.
First 5 were good.
Yeah, honestly, that was really
back
nice.
there.
Hopefully I can get something I don't have. Everything so far has been doubles.
Hopefully a V or a V Max alt art something.
Yeah, I want alts. I really want the VMAX. What's his name? I forget. Zeraora.
15 packs. We'll see. You should get some. I think at least one alt art, hopefully.
Yeah. Sorry, it's really breezy in here. Everything's flying. Yeah, me and Elroy couldn't wait. I don't know if mom's gonna open or wait. She said she was gonna wait.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm probably gonna open too, but we'll see.
Dang. So far, this one is not so good. 2 packs with absolutely nothing. But hey, maybe it's hiding something really good towards the end.
Hopefully. Some beast or something.
Yeah. Shaman. Nada. What's up with that?
It's
Too hard.
random.
I mean, yeah.
How much does a Pikachu come with? 5?
I feel like it might be 4, but maybe 5. I don't remember.
Yeah, because the Pikachu isn't good for me.
Yeah.
So it's like random, I
It
guess.
wasn't good for me either. But I mean, overall, we've had really good luck. Dang. Young Goose. Cherubi. Execute. Rockruff. Hey.
So Hisuian.
Well, it's something.
I
I
know how-
don't. I think I have it. Yeah, in a hollow.
Can't check till we get home.
Yeah. But I like that one. The one I want is. Which is the one I want? I know there's one that I want that I haven't gotten. No, I want the Soul Rock one. That one looks
Oh,
cool.
yeah, those do look cool. We haven't even seen those ones, have we?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
None of us have had luck. Oops. There's a Larvesta. Dang, man.
Just
That
this
one,
one.
the first one really good, the second one really bad.
Yep.
This is 1 and then 2, and we're gonna do 3 right now.
Here's the third tin of Heather's. See if she gets anything beast.
My favorite. I love the art so much. And here's the last 5 packs.
So
Yeah,
hopefully better.
I mean, yeah.
The top 10 was good. The middle was nothing crazy. We'll see this.
So hopefully this one's amazing. There's a crushing hammer, a rescue carrier, execute, switch, Starly, Cherubi.
It's a bolt on. Nothing.
Keep getting tricked. I think there's gonna be something and there's nothing.
Let's see what else. Still more packs.
Yeah, there's still a lot from this one. Monotone, Soul Rock, they're right next to each other. Maybe I'll get it. One of them. I think I see something.
Oh yeah.
Hey, yo, I needed that one. That one's really cool. I like that one a lot.
Yeah, that one is beast.
Okay, there we go. 1 alt. Out of a lot of packs.
If I get one, at least a new one like that, I'm
Yeah.
fine with it.
We're just happy to see something new because we have pulled a lot.
I think Mama got that one.
Yeah, mom has that one, but I don't.
Yeah, it's a good pull. As long as it's new.
Like, I want to get the things I want, but at the same time, like, we're still gonna be opening the packs. So
Yeah.
Marie is on the Zenith.
You got that one?
Marie, but I don't remember.
Yeah, I don't know if we got those.
I know it has a Pikachu.
I haven't got that one yet. I haven't got a lot of them, honestly, of those. I think I only have like 3. 3 or 4
Yeah.
of the picture.
No, mom wants to finish it.
Hopefully our tins have.
Yeah. Will we get something? Oh,
There's a bug. Not bad.
1 more pack. I wish they did this with the other packs where you can't tell if there's something or not.
Yeah, no, I don't like that either.
Yeah, I don't know why they did that.
I think Scarlet and Violet's gonna have hollows in every pack, I wanna say, or reverse hollows. Something like that. There's like 2 hollow slots or something.
Oh, I thought that was... No. Wow, the first one was really, really good, and then boom, nothing. But hey, I got this one.
So that one was better than the...
I would have been happy about this one too, but I freaking bought it. I should have waited.
Yep.
But hey, it's really cool. I like it.
So I haven't bought it because we still need to open a lot.
I mean, I don't mind having double of that. So there's 1 trainer, an alt. Let's see, 3 Galarian Gallery, 2 V's, 2 shinies, and 3 hollows. See how Elroy does?
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you later.
Yeah, see you.